hive spacer tool. You can use it on a small nuc box. Works real well. Space these out correctly. And you can just use one of them to do both ends. And that will give them the right amount of space between them. Go back to the other end. Look at that. They're perfect. So we're gonna just give them a brand new box so they got some more room to build. Oh, we forgot to put the pollen patty back on. New hives need pollen. So I'm gonna put these on there. Box on the top of here. Use a spacer tool. Get these in the middle. So I put it on drawn comb for them. This is comb that's already drawn out from an older hive. So there's a little bit of honey on there for them, and the queen has more room that she can lay. And hopefully in another 2 weeks she'll have this filled up, and then we're going to move her into a big box, into a full-size box. And we're actually putting Russian queens in here too in about 3 weeks. So this is going to be a Russian hive. And we're going to take the queen out of these boxes and transport them into another yard, and they'll start all over again. So we're going to try to save the queens. Save the queen. Put the brick back on the same direction so they have a flight indicator zone, so that's their house.